Do you know what my grandmother would say for this? It is just something to pass through the water. That's it. So you can see that this little machine doesn't have enough power as I expected. So maybe it's good for something. I will tell you, I use as a toy that I think that is doing something. Wash a little bit, just pass through the water, you know. It's who likes it better something than nothing. So that's only that. But I saw that some maybe people use it for really for wash the things when they don't have a time. At evening when you come back from work, just some socks or tights or something, 2-3 things very light. Then it's really something. So who likes to do and to have the clothes washed like this, then it's okay. And I really, when I'm tired and when I need to be passed through the water, then I use it the same for washing, and then with powder, and later on with clear water. So I just put this machine and it's working. It's usually for almost 5 minutes, so I put 2 or 3 times, and so during that time I'm undressing, wash my shirt, something, and that's it. So I bought and for kitchen to have a different, to wash dishes sometimes or a little. So next time in next video I will show you how does it work in the kitchen also. And something what they complain is that they didn't pack even that little white thing that I can put the wire in. So that's not okay. And now I will tell something on a Serbian language for my friends. Ovo je neka mašinica kao za pranje veša, što bi rekla moja baba. Ovo je ono da kad samo nešto tek da provučeš kroz vodu, da ne kažem nešto smuljaš kroz vodu. To je ono kad se nešto propere u stvari, bukvalno samo da provuče kroz vodu, pa eto ne radiš ti rukama, nego ta neka mala spravica. Što negde može da pomogne, kao što sam do sada pričali, kao što vidite, spustite tu čarape tokom dana, 2-3 para, ne znam, nešto tako lagano i to nešto vrti, mulja i nešto uradi. Mislim, provuče ga kroz vodu. Tako da može da bude i simpatično, može da bude od koristi, iako to nije za ono pranje, duboko pranje kako mi inače volimo u mašini i tako dalje. Inače, nema ovog dela, belog, utikača, ne znam kako se zove, tako da, mislim, zakidaju na svemu i svačemu, što nije apsolutno u redu. Ovo ja pozajmljujem.